Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, according to the latest available data, the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra may get higher prices than the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Finally, bad news appeared for Samsung S series lovers. It is expected that next year, the next Galaxy phones will break many hearts due to higher prices of smartphones, and users may face difficulty because of when buying over-budget smartphones. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is hardly preparing to introduce the Galaxy S25 series early next year. The Galaxy S26 lineup could be unpacked in early 2026, and the South Korean giant may be unable to freeze the Ultra model's price due to the main reason of the next Qualcomm chipset. According to Jukanlosrev, Qualcomm may increase the higher price of the Snapdragon 8 Elite successor. The company recently launched the new Snapdragon chipset, fabricated using a 3nm process, which is expected to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The leaker suggests that the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship may get a significant overpricing. This would force Samsung to increase the cost of the Galaxy S26 Ultra too. Qualcomm has also raised the Snapdragon 8 Elite price significantly compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. However, the price increment offers exceptional outcomes, robust performance, and excellent efficiency. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be $100 higher than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If the rumor materializes, the new radical S25 Ultra may start at $39.99. That is a full $200 higher than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Why Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 may be pricier? Qualcomm invests a massive fund in research and development. This year marks the debut of its in-house Orion CPU cores. The fabrication process also impacts the overall pricing, as the shift to 3nm already boosted the price significantly. Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 may be produced using the 3nm process, but various internal and external factors may lead to a significant price hike. It is said that Qualcomm has sent notifications to suppliers, and negotiations have begun. Given Qualcomm's price hike, suppliers of related components may also desire to make increased profits. Either supplier would also raise the prices of components, or Qualcomm's negotiations may freeze the costs of components. At present, we are awaiting the Galaxy S25 Ultra unpacked, which could happen in late January next year. We are over a year away from the tentative unveiling of the S26 Ultra model, hence, we should get these rumors as a pinch of salt. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.